It's London, Monroe, and Snowball'Yo. 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 Let's go. Hey everybody, it's London, Monroe, and Snowball'Yo, and today we're going to be making peanut butter cookies with my favorite M&Ms, and we're going to start off by using eggs. So, just going to need one egg. Oh wait, I need to put the dough first. Now we're going to use oil, or whatever this is called. And then after the oil, we're going to use 3 cups of water. Where did the spoon go? Do you know where the spoon went? Oh. We're going to use 3 cups of water. 1, 2. You want to pour the last one? 3. Okay. Now we're going to use our mixer and mix it up. Now we're going to pour some M&Ms. And keep mixing it up. Okay, you go. Okay, so got the pan. So when those are all done, mix here. You think that's good? Okay, so the cookie dough should look like this. So now we're gonna start by grabbing some pieces and roll the the pieces up and get a good amount of cookie dough. Don't grab too much though. So now we're gonna start mixing it up. And you're gonna wanna put it in 3 rows, like all the way up here, and then keep going. Okay, so now that we have all the cookie dough rolled up on the pan, you're gonna take a fork and go down just a little bit, and then go that way. And then you're gonna have to do it to all of the cookies. And you don't want to go too hard down on the cookie pan. You don't want to go really down on the cookies. Now that you're all done with this, you're going to want to heat up the oven to... Oh, it's already heated up. So we're going to put the cookies in the oven. Can you please open that for me, Snowball'Yo? Okay, so it's hot. So you're gonna wanna put it in the oven. Okay. So now that they're in the oven, you're gonna wanna set a timer. So I got the phone. We're gonna set a timer. Siri, set a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes, counting down.
Okay, so now that the timer's set, we're gonna wait till the cookies are all done. And then we'll show you guys when they're all done. Peace.
A few moments later.
Okay, everybody, the cookies should be done now, so you're going to want to put on the mitten and see what they look like. What do you... What did you do? Okay, so we're going to take out the cookies now and see what they look like. You think they're done yet? Okay, so we're gonna take them out. Okay, so we got the... Stop! Did you put yourself? That's why you gotta put the mitten on. Okay, so you gotta wait till they cool down. Stop! You gotta wait till they cool down. And we gotta check if they're done. Okay, so they're done. So now we gotta wait till they cool down. And then we'll get to eat them.